Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a dish which is so easy to make, very interesting recipe and just gonna melt in your mouth. This is Semolina Ice Halwa. The making process of this recipe is so interesting, so let's get started. Into a pan, add in 2 cups of milk. Add 1/4 cup of semolina and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of ghee. Now turn on the flame and start mixing it. You have to keep the heat from low to medium and you have to continuously whisk it or it may get burned. And after 5 to 10 minutes you can see the mixture started getting thicker. Mix it continuously. In between you have to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and whisk it. Add in some cardamom powder for flavor. Mix it. And just to give a color change for this halwa, I'm adding beetroot juice. But for the end product, you're not gonna get this red or pink color. Once the semolina is cooked, the color will change from a pale yellow to pink. As I didn't wanted my halwa to be just plain white, so I added this color. And as you know, in my recipes, I don't prefer adding artificial colors. So I always use only natural colors for my recipes. As the mixture is getting thicker, in every 5 minutes, keep on adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. As you can see, our mixture has turned into a single dough consistency. You have to cook this for some more time till you can see the ghee is extracting from the mixture and it turns into a single lump form. Now you have to take a butter paper and apply some ghee on top of it. Now scrape down the mixture onto the butter paper. Very lightly spread it. Now place another butter paper on top of it and start rolling it. You have to roll this into a very thin sheet of halwa. Don't apply too much of pressure. And once you roll it out into thin sheet like this, take out the top butter paper and put some chopped nuts. Here I have used chopped almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios. Now place the butter paper again on top of this and slightly press it. Now take out the butter paper and allow it to cool down for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, start cutting the halwa along with the paper into squares or any desired shape. And there you go, our thin sheets of ice halwa is ready. You can roll it out and keep it, or you can just peel it from the paper and have it. This is so delicious, just melt in your mouth type recipe. So definitely try it out and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.